ASML stock analysis and ASML stock prediction in this 1-minute video. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done some 42,000 videos. So, you know, I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not, especially now. I absolutely love the bottom that I called out beforehand here, just recently actually. Here is the proof. Guess what? Even though I have 42,000 videos, I have proof to back up my claim. Hooray. So, yeah, it was made a month ago, before really anything happened. And then since we're here, all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more. So, boom, boom, boom. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for the rules to be met. So in this case, what I'm exactly saying when I say I'm waiting, I want to see it pull down, give me the confirmation so that I can buy. That's it. And there is previous receipts written in the Discord as well. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.